Bye-bye.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
I go crazy doing it.
Hello.
But then again, I'm budgeting.
You are crazy.
I am crazy.
You've been saying that for an
Oh,
hour.
stop. It was raining. Look. Rain. Look. Wet puddles.
Wet puddles.
Look in his
Whoa,
car.
more.
Look in his car.
Even more. Oh my goodness.
His car is wet. See, that's what I mean. I was really going to buy today, but I think I have enough to last till Tuesday, and then I go in tomorrow. And as long as I get the rescue price, it doesn't matter.
You look like somebody who's like hiding in the grassy knoll or something, Richard.
They never got my picture there.
You got your rifles in the trunk there?
That was pretty good considering I was 15 at the time. No, that was 63, right?
63.
So I was 10.